Welcome to this session of the Pro Engineer Software Tutorials. In this tutorial, we will learn about the content of this course. This course is mainly focused on the 5 basic features of the software. The main content of the software are the first is we have 2D sketch modeling. In this chapter, you will learn about to create the 2D sketches like line, circle, ellipse, arcs, etc. and also some advanced feature in this like dimensioning and mirroring or offset the sketches. After that, there is 3D modeling. In this chapter, you will learn about to create the 3D model. So first we draw a 2D sketch, then we create the 3D from the sketch. Here we have some advanced tool in this 3D modeling like copy and the paste, creating the datum planes, datum axis or datum curves. Next we have the drafting and drawing. Drafting and drawing means the creating the 2D drawing of a 3D model. So in this session we will create the 2D drawing from the model, then we will show the dimensions or the different views of the model, like we have first angle projection, third angle projection, sections views, auxiliary view, detailed views like this. And then we will draft them, we will show the every dimension in that models. The fourth chapter we have is on assembly. So after we create the different part or the models in part modeling, we will learn how to assemble them. In the assembly we have different type of constraints like rigid slide, pin, planar connection. We will learn them how to create the connections, then how to create the assembly, then how to apply a mechanism to the assembly. The last and fifth chapter is on the sheet metal. So sheet metal usually used to create the sheet of the material. So in the sheet metal part, you will learn how to create the bending or the ribs, bending, flatten, quilt like command. Then course content is divided into 11 chapters. The first chapter is we have the introduction to cryoparametric. In this chapter we will learn about some basic introduction, its versions, also how to use the mouse and import export files like this. Then we have your 2D sketch modeling, in which we will try to draw some basic 2D sketch. Then in the third chapter we have advanced feature of the 2D sketch like editing tools in the 2D. Then we will try to create some practice model in 2D. After that, in fourth chapter we start our 3D modeling. We will learn about to create the extrude, revolve, swap feature. Then we have some advanced options in the 3D modeling. Then we have created a separate chapter for a pattern feature. We have different kind of pattern feature in the cryoparametric. So a detailed description of each and every pattern is given in the chapter. Then in the chapter 7 we have practice models. We have used more than 10 models to actually how we use the commands and how we make the different types of model. We have first in the starting we have created some simple models, then step by step we have gone to some advanced models. In chapter 8 we have very important chapter that of the surface modeling. Surface modeling used to create the complex geometry. So we have different commands of the surface modeling like merging, intersecting, extend like this. Then we have in the end we have created a model on the surface modeling. And then we have like drawing and drafting, assembly and sheet metal as we discussed earlier. So this is all about the content of this course.